Just got back from the test ride. Excuse the mess. Tried out the new 50 tooth rear sprocket. Needed the larger rear sprocket to go the bigger rear wheel, but 50 tooth rear, 13 tooth front, that feels pretty good. Unfortunately for pit bites, it's hard to get bigger than a 42 tooth for the rear sprocket, but I found a cheap steel 50 tooth, and the bolt holes, they matched, but the inner circle hole, that had to be lathed out to fit, which is a bit of a pain as it's case hardened steel, but I've got a friend who finished it off. Other than that, still the same bike. Changed to the Cirrus 70 size seat, but the main thing is bigger 12-14 wheels, a lot more grip, a lot more clearance going through the ruts at this time of year in the wet. But that bigger sprocket's definitely needed to bring the gearing down. Otherwise it's just too tall. Just trying to pull like 65 mph top speed. It's just too tall of a gearing, especially when you're off-road, tight little tracks. Cut. Oh, raining down. Not bad. Back on good.